Hello, Kakabsat! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Kabsat nga Ilocano. If you are new here, I am sure you are new here in my YouTube channel. Just click the like, just give me a like, and just click the red button, subscribe, and the bell button for you to notify for all the videos, reactions, vlogs at Kabsat nga Ilocano channel. So for today's video, ayan, tonight, for this time video, we're going to react again one of the music video of Fuji Case. Yeah, there's a new music video of Fuji Case, which is Zam, titled Zam. So Zam, I'm hoping you will realize something and you will feel something if you will watch this. So what are we waiting for? So let's watch this.
Don't forget to put a comment down below about this music video reaction, and please don't forget to click the red button, subscribe, and the bell button for you to notify for all the videos. Okay, so let's continue this. Fujikis never fails his viewers. He is always uplifting all people, all what do we call this? All of his viewers, right? He never fail us. He is very amazing, fantastic always. So if you don't like any interruption or distraction, I will put a link on my description. You can click the link there so that you can watch the full music video. Nakita nyo yon? Did you see that? He stepped with something, I don't know if it is a shit or what. It's a poo. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video reaction. Don't forget again to click the red button subscribe and click the bell button for you to notify for all the videos that we are going to upload or make, for all the vlogs and reactions. Thank you so much. Bye.